Well, I don't know if you can actually hear me, but in the next 2 days, my bike is gonna be almost 3 months old, and in a matter of not even 90 days, I have already replaced the seat. You know, I'm somebody who always has chased aesthetics, and because of that, I ended up getting help of Sumit, Sahara Seats. That guy, he has my heart altogether. You know, this is all crafted by him. This is from Sahara Seats, and he had to be in constant contact with me to craft something this beautiful. I already had told him that, you know, I need something which is going to look completely flat, and he has crafted that for me. You know, he has crafted this. Cost me around 6,000 rupees after applying the coupons and everything, though I had ordered the one which was around 5,300 after the coupon. And then I got in contact with Sumit, and he told me that this one is going to be a better one. This is something that they have crafted, you know, for the Highness as well. So if you have the Highness, you can definitely go for this. But this is how the seat looks. Yeah, from the top angle, if there would be somebody who would be looking at the back side of the seat, this is how the bike looks from the back side as well, and this is how it looks from the right side. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, I have always cared about aesthetics, and this is really augmenting the aesthetics to the fullest. Wow, this is just a piece of beauty, something that I have always really wanted. You know, now the bike actually looks premium. See, in the beginning I wanted to go for the brown color, but then Sumit convinced me that, you know, with the Rebel Red that I have right here, this seat is gonna be looking the best in its black aesthetics, right? So I went for the black only, and I do not regret it, mate. I do not regret it at all, actually. Yeah, so I had some difficulties installing the seat because I had to do a little bit of adjustments for the bolts and everything over here, right here. So yeah, it took me a while to install the seat for the first time, but after this there won't be any problem. So yeah, please, I'm just going to be mentioning his contact number as well, so you guys can place the order on Sahara Seats and then start talking to him. You know, beforehand only you start talking to him, and you talk to him exactly, you know, what you are looking for, and he's going to craft exactly that for you. I mean, he is an amazing artist. He is an amazing artist. So yeah, this is how it looks. And by the way, there's a buckle also, right? I am though actually trying to tie my helmet over here. That's why you probably would not be able to see this, but this is how it looks. Well, yeah, a proper view apparently from all the sides I'm gonna give you. And after that, I'm just gonna have to call this video a day. Well, this is a masterpiece, isn't this? Damn.